Question 1. Which fuel is used in thermal power plant? What are the problems associated with this type of power generation? Answer. 1. The fuel used in the thermal power plant is coal. Coal contains chemical energy. Upon burning, it releases heat energy. This heat is used for generation of electricity in the thermal power plants. 2. Problems associated with power generations by thermal power plant. A. Air pollution. Due to burning of coal, there is emission of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide gases. These are harmful and toxic to health. B. Soot particles emitted during combustion can cause severe respiratory problems such as asthma. Question 3. Other than thermal power plant, which power plants use thermal energy for power generation? In what different ways is the thermal energy obtained? Answer. Other than thermal power plant, nuclear power plants, solar power plants use thermal energy for power generation. Different ways of generating thermal energy are: 1. Using fossil fuels. By burning fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, the chemical energy stored in them is converted into thermal energy. 2. Using natural gas. Chemical energy in natural gas is converted into thermal energy. 3. Using nuclear fuels. Controlled chain reaction in nuclear power plants releases huge amount of thermal energy. 4. Using solar energy. Solar energy can be reflected and absorbed in absorbers where it gets converted to thermal energy. Question 4. Which types of power generation involve maximum number of steps of energy conversion? In which power generation is the number minimum? Answer. Nuclear power plant involves maximum number of steps in the process of transformation. First, nuclear energy is released by fission of nuclei of atoms like uranium or plutonium. The nuclear energy released is used to generate steam of high temperature and high pressure. This thermal energy is transformed into kinetic energy in steam. The kinetic energy in steam is then converted into kinetic energy in the turbine. The turbine rotates, hence generating electrical energy. Electric generator using wind involves the minimum steps in the process of transformation. The kinetic energy in the wind is used in wind power plants. This kinetic energy is converted to kinetic energy in the wind turbine. Wind turbine is a machine which converts the kinetic energy of the wind to electrical energy. The turbine rotates, hence generating electrical energy. Kinetic energy in wind to kinetic energy in turbine to electric energy.